You cannot be doing natural hair and you will not have certain bonnets or you will not have certain scarf. It's not possible. In this journey, you need it. It is the number one thing you should. That's what I should have. Hello there, hi there, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while, guys. It's been a whole minute. I know I have not had time to post as much as I want to. There are a lot I want to post, but I've not had time to post. But don't worry, guys, I will definitely make time because I always have you guys back. I'm always here for you guys. So anyway, today's video we're going to be talking about the essential hair care tools you need for healthy hair. Now on this channel we prioritize healthy hair over length. We prioritize healthy hair over length. Say if you misspeak up, we prioritize healthy hair over length. Now let's get into the video. So guys, the first item is hairbrush. Of course, as a natural hair girly, hairbrush is a very important thing you need, and I would advise dump combs. Dump those combs, the kind of combs I'm talking about. Dump them and get a hairbrush. Now, not just any type of hairbrush and all that. I'll put a picture of the particular one that I use right here. So yes, get yourself a hairbrush, and if you cannot afford a hairbrush, you can get a wide tooth comb. I'll also put a picture. Remind me, put a picture. So I'll also put a picture. So yes, get yourself a wide tooth comb. Number two is a satin bonnet or a satin scarf. Now that one is something you should not skip. You cannot be doing natural hair and you will not have satin bonnets or you will not have satin scarf. It's not possible. In this journey, you need it. It is the number one thing you should. That's what I should have even said as number one. It is the first thing you should buy. Get yourself a satin bonnet or a satin scarf. And you might be asking why? Why do I need it? What's the essence? Well, it's because it's for protecting your hair, because you do not want your hair to be like on any surface, to just be rubbing against any surface like your chair and all those things. They make your hair, they cause split ends, and those split ends make your hair break. I've explained this countless times, so yes, but I'll still explain again because I love you guys. The third thing you should get is a spray bottle. Very important. As I've said, when you wake up in the morning, you drink water. Definitely, your hair also needs water. If it's that you own a plant or maybe even a pet, what you do is what you give them water. So water is very essential, and you should get yourself a spray bottle so as to feed your hair in the morning with rubber water. The fourth one is rubber bands. Now I'm not just talking of those rubber bands. I know those rubber bands. No, do not even try to use those rubber bands. Those rubber bands will break your hair. The one I'm talking about, this black, I'll probably put a picture. I'll definitely put a picture. These black rubber bands, you can use those ones instead. Those ones, they have like something like a cloth around them to like protect your hair, and it's not just the rubber. So yes, you should get those rubber bands if you're going to be styling your hair anyways. And the fifth item is the oil applicator. This is very important. We all know, I don't know if we know, but yes, oil is a very important thing you should be putting on your hair. It is a sealant that you should be putting on your hair, and therefore you need a oil applicator bottle. So we've come to the end of this video. This is a very short video. That's because I have a lot to do, guys. I have a lot to do. It's not easy. But yes, thank you for watching this video, and I will be back very soon. I will be back with bigger content, good content, and more teachings. Thank you for watching, and bye.